August 25th, 2025, Chandipur, Odisha. History was made. DRDO successfully tested India's first Sudarshan Chakra air defense system. A shield designed to protect the nation's skies from any threat. But what exactly happened during this test? And is this truly India's Iron Dome moment? Let's find out. Just days earlier, on Independence Day 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji announced Mission Sudarshan Chakra, an ambitious plan to create a multi-layered AI-powered air defense shield. The mission aims to defend India against drones, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and even hypersonic weapons. And within 10 days, DRDO had already demonstrated its first success. On August 25th at Chandipur, the Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, part of Mission Sudarshan Chakra, went into action. 3 different aerial targets were launched, 2 high-speed UAVs and 1 multi-copter drone. Within seconds, all 3 were intercepted and destroyed in a perfectly coordinated strike. So how did Sudarshan Chakra achieve this? The system integrates 3 cutting-edge weapons: QRSAM, the quick reaction surface-to-air missile designed to neutralize aircraft and long-range drones; VSHORADS, very short-range air defense, a shoulder-fired weapon for immediate threats; and most futuristic of all, directed energy weapons, high-power lasers that can vaporize drones in seconds. All of these are connected through a central command and control system powered by advanced AI. Until now, only a handful of nations, the US, Israel, and Russia, possessed such multi-layered air defense systems. Israel's Iron Dome is perhaps the most famous. With Sudarshan Chakra, India now joins this elite league. And the biggest achievement? Every part of this system is indigenously designed and made in India. But this is only the beginning. DRDO is working on upgrading Sudarshan Chakra to handle hypersonic glide vehicles and massive drone swarms. The government is also preparing an export package which could make India a key supplier of advanced defense technology to the world. India's Sudarshan Chakra test is more than just a defense milestone. It's a symbol of self-reliance and power, a sky shield built entirely at home. The question now is, will Sudarshan Chakra become India's ultimate Iron Dome? Tell us what you think in the comments. For more informative videos, please share and subscribe.